Sir, in order to make good sum of this revenue loss on account of this relief, I propose to levy a surcharge of 10% of tax payable on categories of individuals whose annual taxable income is between rupees 50 lakhs and rupees 1 crore. Stop. The existing surcharge of 15% of tax on people earning more than rupees 1 crore will continue. Stop. This is likely to give additional revenue of rupees 2,700 crores. Stop. In order to expand tax net, I also plan to have a simple one-page form to be filled as income tax return for the category of individuals having taxable income up to rupees 5 lakhs other than business income. Stop. Also, a person of this category who files income tax return for the first time would not be subjected to any scrutiny in the first year unless there is specific information available with the department regarding his high value transaction. Stop. I appeal to all citizens of India to contribute to nation building by making a small payment of 5% tax if their income is falling in the lowest slab of rupees 2.5 lakhs to rupees 5 lakhs. Stop. Para. There has been substantial progress towards ushering in GST, by far the biggest tax reform since independence, since the enactment of the Constitution 100 and First Amendment Act 2016. The preparatory work for this path-breaking reform has been a top priority for the government. Stop. In this context, several teams of officers, both from the states and central board of excise and customs, have been working tirelessly to give finishing touch to the model GST law and rules and other details. Stop. Government on its part has promptly given effect to various provisions of the Constitutional Amendment Act, including constitution of the GST Council. Stop. Since then, the GST Council held 9 meetings to discuss various issues relating to GST, including broad contours of the GST rate structure, threshold, exemption and parameters for composition, scheme details for compensation to states due to implementation of GST, examination of draft model GST law, draft IGST law and the compensation law, and administrative mechanism for GST. Stop. It is my privilege to inform this august House that the GST Council has finalized its recommendations on almost all the issues based on consensus and after spirited debate and discussions. Stop. The same should be enclosed as scheduled. Stop. Para. Center through the Central Board of Excise and Customs shall continue to strive to achieve the goal of implementation of GST as per schedule without compromising the spirit of cooperative federalism. Stop. Implementation of GST is likely to bring more taxes both to central and state governments because of widening of tax net stock. I have preferred not to make many changes in current regime of excise and service tax because the same are to be replaced by GST soon stop. In the annual conclave of tax officers called Rajas Gyan Sangam held in June 2016, the Prime Minister had expressed his desire to bring reforms in tax administration in the form of an approach of RAPID, which stands for Revenue, Accountability, Probity, Information and Digitization. Stop. This approach precisely reflects the strategy of tax department which is now formulated. Stop. While revenue considerations always remain the focus of revenue department, we are trying to bring in maximum use of information technology to remove human contact with assessors as well as to plug tax avoidance. Stop. We will try to maximize our efforts for reassessment in the coming year. Stop.